All right, fall officially kicked off at least the first part of September for meteorological fall tomorrow. With a fall equinox, though, we can say that, yeah, we're in full swing. Autumnal equinox just symbolizes that time where the Earth is rotating around the sun. We've reached that point where we're seeing roughly equal parts day and night across the entire globe. And so it typically falls somewhere between September 20th to the 22nd. So tomorrow, the 22nd, right around 12:19, we're going to have official fall or autumnal equinox take shape. And that just signifies that now the sun's rays are going to fall more south of the equator towards the Tropic of Capricorn, and we'll have longer nights than we will days. So yeah, something we have to get used to. In fact, looked it up. We're about 2 hours less daylight from now through winter solstice, so through mid-December. So we're going to continue to chip away at the amount of daylight we're seeing until that time. 63 degrees as you head outside in Salt Lake City with a mix of sun and clouds. East winds at 7 miles per hour. Today's high is expected to be 80, 78 our average high. Still 10 degrees shy of record high. We're not expecting record warmth, but south flow is in place, ushering in some moisture ahead of a cold front that moves in tonight. Severe weather outlook for today showing green across the northern part of the state, Nevada, Idaho, southwest Wyoming, and Colorado, just meaning we have a general risk of thunderstorm development today as moisture stream ins. If we kind of look at overall timing, pretty quiet into the early afternoon. We'll start to see some very spotty showers pop up into afternoon, early evening, and then late evening and overnights when we'll see the brunt of the moisture arrive ahead of the cold front that should be here tomorrow morning, right around the morning commute. In fact, this is around 1-2 a.m. So could see some rain or hear even some thunder outside overnight. Best chances will be Monday morning about 7 o'clock. Notice the front inching its way through the Wasatch Front. Should clear out pretty quickly. In fact, the latter half of the day is expected to be pretty quiet. It'll be cooler than normal with northwest flow. And hopefully we'll have a good 1/10, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain that pops up with the storm system pushing through. Again, mainly just impacting northern Utah. No real precipitation expected across the southern half of the state. Might see, 1/100 of an inch or so, it looks like, in Moab. So as that storm system clears out, high pressure will build back in for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Southern Utah, though, notice there's a trough of low pressure that's going to start to swing more moisture back into your neck of the woods by the latter half of the work week. So quiet the next couple of days for St. George, but things will start to change as we get into Thursday, Friday, I think even into Saturday. That model not showing a good chance of some shower and thunderstorm activity, but we should see, I think, lingering moisture into Saturday across southwest Utah. For today, highs near 80. We drop tomorrow, though, with fall. We'll see a good 5 to almost 8 degrees cooler across much of northern Utah. 79 for the high in Cedar, 90 in St. George, 89 in Bullfrog on your Sunday. Temperatures actually warming for the most part in southern Utah through midweek before we see some of those changes, so we'll be hovering in the mid to low 90s. Planning on overnight lows in the mid to low 60s. 94 on Thursday with increased cloud cover, chance of showers Friday, Saturday. Northern Utah 80 for your Sunday, 73 on Monday. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. Again, storms tomorrow morning, but then clearing out in the afternoon. Sunshine and mid-70s on Tuesday. Feeling pretty much like fall in full swing. Cooler than normal temperatures. Near average highs Wednesday. And then we're back into the low 80s, so high pressure warms us back up. Partly cloudy skies Friday, Saturday. Could even see a few more showers as we get into next latter half of the weekend, at least in northern Utah.
So a little moisture today and tomorrow for a lot of us.
Still a nice day, though. Not going to be a washout for your son to get out and enjoy some of the fall leaves out there.
All right. Beautiful time of year for
That's right.
sure. Thanks so much, Nate. We'll be right back.